Yun po, no? So, since mababa naman po yung blood reading ko, no? It's, blood sugar level is 109. I'll take this opportunity to try another biscuit. Anyway, nasa biscuit series na rin naman tayo, no? So, I don't know if you guys are familiar. I'm pretty sure you're familiar po kayo rito, yung Ritz. It can be bought from, any supermarket. Yung red po siya. Yeah, no? So, what I did was I measured around 30 grams nung Ritz para okay po yung comparison niya, no? 33 grams si Ribisco, 25 grams si Skyflex. So, this is 30 grams. So, kainin ko po siya, tapos balikan ko po kayo after an hour to see kung ano yung blood sugar spike. See ya! Yun po, no? So, naka 1 hour na po tayo after eating yung Ritz biscuits. By the way, masarap po yung Ritz. Medyo ano siya, creamy and may tamis ng konti. So, tingnan natin. And 30 grams lang po yun. So, almost the same nung Ribisco na kinain natin. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Wow! Wala Parang wala nangyari 111. Weird. Pero yeah. So, we'll see kung ano magiging final reading niya after 1 hour pa ulit. See you guys. Ayun po, no? So, final blood sugar reading po tayo. And final item na rin po ito para po dun sa biscuits/crackers series po natin. Okay, let's go ahead and find out kung ano pong final blood sugar reading. Yan. Second hour pala. 115 na po siya. So, umakyat po siya gradually. Though hindi po siya kapareho nung Skyflakes at saka nung Ribisco, no, na biglang tumaas first hour, tapos bigla rin pong bumaba nung second hour. So, ito gradual po siya. Okay lang po siya, wala pong problema kasi it's within threshold, no. But then again, 30 grams lang po itong kinain ko. So anything higher than 30 grams, syempre iba po yung epekto nun. At saka as much as possible, no, ito lang po, wag na pong samahan ng iba para hindi po mag-spike ng mataas na mataas yung blood sugar. So yun lang po. That ends our biscuits/crackers series. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.